think? What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? I love it. I don't know how to ride a longboard.
Sponsor me, Red Bull.
Girl. Oh, this lovely, lovely. Hello, welcome back to the vlog. It is the 4th of July. America! I just got done doing my makeup not too long ago. Now we're about to do Belly's makeup. But I gotta clean the brushes. This one's still purple. Guys, you remember the purple? Put a clip here. But y'all remember the purple? The purple was crazy.
So we're chilling.
We're chilling.
Yeah.
I need to itch my forehead so bad. I almost itched a spot where there's makeup. This is my look. What do we think? 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 I love it. I'm probably gonna have to shut the door because of children.
Yeah.
Yep. Anyway, so today we're gonna do Billy's makeup. I don't remember what we're doing. I know she found something on TikTok, and it was cuckoo banana crazy. And we're gonna test my skills.
Sponsor me, Red Bull.
Girl. Oh, I haven't tried this one. Taste test! That tastes like peach and mango. Let me just adjust you guys real quick. Alright, take a seat. Where's the inspo pick?
Damn! Fiend for Dr. Pepper.
Who would do such a thing? I would never.
Dr. Pepper sponsor us too. Need that life supply.
Literally almost wore a Dr. Pepper shirt today.
Bro, I have no white. I have red though.
You look like the 4th of July. Makes me want a hot dog real bad.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
You can press play on the video.
this is the inspo. Wow. This lovely, lovely lady. Okay. We're gonna play real quick to get the side. Yup. She's really testing my skills right now.
You know me. And then there's a star right here.
Alright. Swirly whirlies. Curly burlies.
Guys, I had to put blush on before because your girl loves blush. I forgot my nose blush. You guys think I have enough blush? Or do I need more? I might have blush behind this, but I'm not gonna quiet.
So, I'm gonna need you to open your phone again. Alright.
We love the floor, ladies.
Floor time.
I love floor time.
Okay.
Is the blue gonna stain?
We're gonna find out. Right, look that way. This video is just gonna be a flashback to Halloween. When I was all purple.
When I was all pink.
And we were pink and purple for days. Literal days.
FYI, do not put blue eyeshadow in your eyebrows. Don't do it. Don't do it. It doesn't come out, guys. I'm haunted. I'm like, I'm never doing a blue makeup look ever again. At least that involves
No more bibbles.
No more bibbles. Ugh, that was so good though. Like I actually did a really good job on that bibble. So.
What do you think? More stars, less stars?
I think that's enough stars.
Alright. Other side.
Guys, I think I'm addicted to energy drinks. I think the worst, like the amount I've had, like 8th grade year was every single day.
Stop.
Thank you. We're vlogging.
We're vlogging here. Caution, caution. Alright. Time for you to look that way. Close your eyes.
Looks like your head's
That's like a you problem. Alright. What do you think? What do you think?
Yes. It looks so whimsical, guys.
Thank you. Time to record TikToks. We'll be back later when we get a hot dog, and then when we go see the fireworks, and when we get Jess real bad. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. What? Oh, I'm stuck. Guys, I'm on a longboard. But I gotta, it's a push to go, because I don't know how to ride a longboard. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. What? Keep rolling. She's leaving me. She's just leaving me. Look at her go. She's just leaving me. We're gonna go see the fireworks. I don't know where she went. She's back there somewhere. Guys, I'm going so freaking fast. It was scary. I like when it's dark out. October will cure me. Why is it not focusing?
Just to see if you'd want me.
Anyway, we're waiting for the fireworks now.
Put that auto-tune on.
Dr. Pepper.
Future Ian, when you're editing this, put auto-tune on me singing, because I sing hella bad.
No. You're also a theater kid.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you are.
How?
You literally belt musicals all the time.
That's not it. They see me rolling, they hate it. Oh shoot, it's the
Appa don't stop it.
Appa don't stop it, but he stopped it.
Oh, he reversed up. Guys, this makeup is so itchy. It's actually not where the makeup is that's itchy. It's literally like everywhere else is itchy. I smeared this a few times now.
We're speeding tonight.
Jess doesn't want to people today. You guys were gonna see Jess, but
Tell her I love her.
you tell her right now.
I love you, Jess. I wish you were here. Then I could actually have met you.
It didn't take us that long to get here. We even stopped to take pictures. Here are the pictures. Yeah.
You also got like 7 kids.
We're gonna have cake later because it's my nephew's birthday. Birthday's on 4th of July. How dare. Celebrating with America. We'll be back when the fireworks come so you get to see some of the fireworks because you're gonna die soon. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I thought you guys deserved an extra one since I've been so behind lately. That's really what I did on the 4th. Just had a bunch of fun. Anyway, soon I'm gonna be going taking pictures. So go follow my other socials, see all my other content at yobana_04 on Instagram and TikTok. Anyways, that's it for now. I'll see y'all later. Toodles!